In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively track a moving object in your footage using masking and tracking in your video editing software. Let's dive in and turn your video editing skills up a notch with these simple techniques. First, you'll want to begin by importing your footage into your editing software. Once your clip is imported, place it directly onto the timeline. This is your starting point for making any edits or enhancements. Next, select the clip that you've placed on the timeline. From here, navigate to the top menu and select Window. Then choose Effect Controls to open up the panel where you'll do much of your detailed editing work. This panel is crucial as it allows you to apply and manage any effects you want to add to your clip. When you're ready to apply an effect, think about what you want to achieve. For example, you might choose an effect like a blur from the available options under Video Effects, then Blur and Sharpen, and finally Gaussian Blur. Alternatively, you may opt to employ a highlight depending on your creative vision. This step sets the foundation for tracking and enhancing your video clip. Under the effect you've applied, within the Effect Controls panel, it's time to create a mask around the object you want to track. You have several tools at your disposal to create this mask, such as the ellipse, rectangle, or free draw, pen tool, depending on the shape and movement of the object. Choose the tool that best fits your needs, and carefully draw the mask around your subject. Once you've outlined your object with a mask, you need to focus on the mask path settings, which you'll find under the Mask Shapes parameters in Effect Controls. This is where you'll see tracking buttons, usually represented by play-like symbols, like or arrows, that are labeled Track Selected Mask Forward or Track Backward. Your next decision involves choosing the appropriate tracking method for your clip. Options include Position Only, Position and Rotation, or Position, Scale and Rotation. The choice here hinges on the complexity of your object's movement in the scene. For instance, if the object is only moving in one direction, position may suffice, but if it's zooming in and out or rotating, a more complex option might be required. Now, click the forward arrow to begin analyzing the frames. This action prompts the software to automatically track and follow the object with the mask as it moves through the sequence. This automation saves a lot of time versus manual adjustment frame by frame. After the initial tracking is done, preview your clip. Pay close attention to the mask's behavior. If it drifts away from the object or loses track, don't worry. Simply return to the problem frame, manually adjust the mask's position, and continue using the tracking function to ensure it stays on course. Finally, refine the mask for a more natural appearance. You can adjust the feather, expansion, and mask shape parameters to ensure the effect seamlessly integrates with the rest of your footage. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of how to track a moving object with ease. Practice these steps, and soon you'll be enhancing your videos with professional-looking effects. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!